On your YouTube app homepage, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile icon and tap on it. Among the bunch of menus here, continue to tap on your channel. So you land on an interface like this. Beside manage videos, continue to tap on this edit icon. So you have the options to edit your handle here. In order to change it, you can proceed to tap on this box and then make the necessary change that you want. And make sure the handle that you are picking is available. So in my case, this handle is taken, but this one is available. So I can proceed to select this and you'll be prompted that this handle is available. And you can change your handle back within 14 days. That means after 14 days, you can't revert back to your previous handle. After everything, you can proceed to click on save. That is it. It's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, you can hit the like button and share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.